Welcome back, everybody. Today we're doing a deep dive into the world of AI agents, these software programs that are really kind of changing the game and how we interact with technology.
Uh-huh.
You know, you can almost think of them as like
Yeah.
superpowered digital assistants,
Yeah.
like way smarter than anything you got on your phone right now.
Right. It's true.
Yeah, like imagine an assistant that could not only like schedule your appointments,
Right.
but could like negotiate a better price for you.
Oh, wow.
Or plan your dream vacation.
Yeah.
Or even like manage your entire smart home based on like your preferences.
Based on your preferences, right?
Yeah.
That's wild. So we're going to explore all of this and more
Okay.
based on this AWS article titled, What Are AI Agents? And I'm curious from your perspective.
Yeah.
What are some of the things about these AI agents that really stand out to you?
Well, I think one of the most fascinating things is that unlike typical software,
Right.
these AI agents are built on the principles of rationality and data.
They're constantly collecting information,
Huh.
kind of like detectives gathering clues and then using logic to solve problems and make decisions.
So it's not just about blindly following a set of instructions.
Right.
These agents are actually making choices
Yeah.
based on...
Based on what they've learned and what they think
Wow.
will lead to the best outcome.
That's crazy.
Precisely. They're designed to be rational agents.
Okay.
And a great example of this like sensing and decision-making process
Right.
is a self-driving car.
Okay.
Imagine it's navigating like a busy city street.
Okay, so it's using sensors to constantly analyze its surroundings.
Exactly.
Pedestrians,
Luxuries,
other
pedestrians,
vehicles, traffic signals.
traffic signals, and then making split-second decisions to keep everyone safe.
Exactly.
Wow.
It's processing all of that data to avoid obstacles,
Yeah.
predict potential hazards, and get you to your destination safely.
And get you there safely.
Yeah, that's the power of AI agents in action. Yeah, it's really kind of like highlights how these agents are interacting with the world in a way that's almost human-like.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about what everyone really wants to know.
Yeah.
How can AI agents benefit us in our everyday lives?
Okay.
And the article really emphasizes this.
Absolutely. Let's start with productivity.
Okay.
Everyone wants more time, right?
Of course.
Think about having an AI agent that analyzes your work patterns and automatically schedules meetings for you,
Oh, wow.
freeing up an extra hour each day.
So that's an hour you could spend focusing on strategic projects or finally tackling that creative endeavor you've been putting off.
Exactly.
Or simply enjoying some well-deserved downtime.
Exactly. AI agents can take over those like tedious, repetitive tasks that eat up our time,
Yeah.
giving us back precious hours in our day.
Right. And it's not just about personal productivity either.
Right.
Businesses can leverage AI agents to streamline their operations and reduce costs significantly.
Yeah, you're thinking things like inventory management or customer service interactions, right?
Yeah.
AI agents could handle those tasks more efficiently and accurately than humans, freeing up employees to focus on more complex and strategic work.
More complex, right?
Precisely. Imagine a world where AI agents are handling your routine customer inquiries,
Right.
resolving issues proactively,
Proactively. That's huge.
and ensuring seamless and personalized service.
Seamless.
Yeah, it would transform the customer experience as we know it.
Absolutely. That brings us to another key benefit highlighted in the article.
Okay.
AI agents empowering us to make more informed decisions.
Yes.
They can process vast amounts of data,
Yeah.
identify patterns, and extract insights that we humans might miss.
Imagine trying to analyze market trends for an investment decision.
Okay.
An AI agent could sift through mountains of data,
Wow.
spot subtle correlations,
That we would have missed.
and identify promising opportunities that would take a human analyst weeks or even months to uncover.
That's incredible, like having a financial advisor
Exactly.
who has access to a constant stream of real-time data
Right.
and can make recommendations tailored to your specific goals.
Exactly. And it doesn't stop there.
Okay.
Imagine an AI agent that analyzes your health data,
Okay.
identifies potential risks, and provides personalized suggestions to improve your well-being.
So like having a personal health coach
Exactly.
guiding you towards a healthier lifestyle.
Exactly.
So we've got increased productivity,
Reduced costs.
reduced costs,
Reduced
and
costs.
better decision-making.
Better decision-making.
All thanks to AI agents.
That's right. They're not just changing how we interact with technology. They're transforming how we live and work.
That's wild.
And it's only just the beginning.
Yeah, it's just the beginning.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've seen all these amazing benefits with AI agents.
Mm-hmm.
You know, revolutionizing productivity, cost management, and even like decision making.
Yeah.
But like, how do they actually work? Like, what's going on under the hood?
That's right.
Right? You know what I mean?
Well, the AWS article provides a really helpful breakdown of AI agent architecture.
Okay.
Think of it like looking at the blueprints of a house.
I love that analogy.
Yeah.
So what are like the key elements that make up these blueprints?
First, you need the foundation, the architecture.
Okay.
This could be physical hardware, like the sensors and processors in a self-driving car.
Okay.
Or it could be a software platform for a virtual agent, like a chatbot.
Okay, so that's like the base,
right?
The structure that everything else is built on.
Right.
What comes next?
Next, you have the agent function, which is like the brain of the operation.
Okay.
It's the logic and rules that define how the agent processes information and makes decisions.
So it's not just about having the physical components or the software platform.
Right.
It's about having like the intelligence to guide the agent's actions.
Exactly.
I see.
And finally, you have the agent program. Think of this as the construction crew that brings the blueprint to life.
Okay.
It's the actual implementation of the agent function,
right,
including the code, the training data, and everything that makes the agent functional.
So it's like taking those blueprints and turning them into a functioning intelligent agent.
Exactly.
I see.
Yeah.
So I'm starting to see how these components work together.
Okay.
But let's get even more practical. Like, how does an AI agent actually go about its business in the real world?
The article outlines a clear workflow that most AI agents follow.
Okay.
It starts with a goal.
A goal.
The agent needs a clear objective, like resolving a customer complaint or finding the best route to a destination.
Okay, so it has a mission to accomplish.
Right.
What happens next?
Then the agent needs to acquire information.
Information.
It gathers data from its environment.
Okay.
Whether that's sensor readings, database records, or even information from the internet.
From the internet.
Wow. It's like a detective gathering clues to solve a case.
Gathering clues. That's cool.
Yeah.
So it needs all the relevant information before it can make its move.
Exactly. And once it has the information, it can start implementing tasks.
Okay.
This is where the agent takes action following its programmed logic and the insights it has gained to move towards its goal.
So it's constantly monitoring its progress.
Yeah.
Making adjustments. Ensuring that every step is taking it closer to that desired outcome.
Exactly.
And all of this is happening without direct human intervention, which is amazing.
Right. And it's this ability to operate autonomously, to make decisions and take action based on real-time data that makes AI agents so powerful.
So powerful. All right, let's shift gears a bit.
Okay.
And talk about the different types of AI agents out there.
Okay.
The article mentions like a whole spectrum of agents.
Yeah.
Each with its unique capabilities.
Yeah, that's right. It's like a digital safari with various species of AI agents roaming the technological landscape.
That's a great way to put it.
Yeah.
So let's start with like these simple reflex agents.
Okay.
So these are the most basic types.
Think of them as like the rule followers of the AI world.
Okay.
They operate based on predefined rules and react to immediate input.
Okay.
A great example is a thermostat that adjusts the temperature based on the current room reading.
Okay, so if the room gets too hot, the thermostat kicks in to cool things down.
Exactly.
Simple action triggered by a specific condition.
Exactly. Now let's move on to model-based reflex agents.
Okay.
These agents take things a step further.
Okay.
Think of it like a chess-playing AI.
Okay.
It has a mental model of the game, allowing it to anticipate your moves based on its understanding of the rules and potential outcomes.
So it's not just reacting to the immediate situation.
Right.
It's thinking ahead.
Thinking ahead.
And strategizing.
Strategizing. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, that is impressive. What about goal-based agents?
Okay, as the name suggests, these agents are all about achieving specific goals. They use more sophisticated reasoning to figure out the best way to reach those goals, even in complex and dynamic environments.
So they're not just reacting to their surroundings. They're actively pursuing objectives.
Actively pursuing objectives. That's a good way to put it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you give me an example?
Absolutely. Imagine you're planning a trip.
Okay.
A goal-based AI agent could create the perfect itinerary for you.
Oh, wow.
Taking into account your budget-preferred travel style and any time constraints you might have.
Wow, that would save so much time and hassle.
Yeah.
It's like having a personal travel agent
Exactly.
who knows exactly what you want.
Yeah.
That's awesome. What about utility-based agents?
Okay.
That name sounds intriguing.
These agents are all about maximizing efficiency and finding the most optimal solutions.
Okay.
They consider factors like cost, time, resources, and user satisfaction to make the best possible decision.
So it's like a navigation app
Yeah.
that chooses the fastest route
Right.
while also considering traffic conditions and toll costs to save you time and money.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
all about finding the most efficient and satisfying outcome
Right.
based on a set of criteria.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
What about learning agents?
Okay.
Those are some of the most fascinating to me.
Learning agents can actually improve their performance over time through experience and feedback.
That's incredible.
They're constantly analyzing data, identifying patterns, and adjusting their behavior to become more effective at their tasks.
Wow. So they're like students constantly
Yeah.
absorbing information,
Absorbing information.
getting better at what they do.
Exactly. A classic example is a spam filter
Oh, yeah.
that gets better at identifying junk mail as it analyzes more emails
Uh-huh.
and receives feedback from users.
So it's like they're evolving right before our eyes,
Yeah.
becoming more intelligent,
More intelligent.
more capable with each interaction.
More capable with each interaction. Yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
What about those hierarchical agents?
Okay.
They sound a bit complex.
These agents are all about organization and teamwork.
Okay.
Imagine a well-structured company
Mm-hmm.
with different departments and levels of management.
Okay.
Hierarchical agents are organized in layers,
Okay.
with higher-level agents delegating tasks to lower-level agents.
So it's like a smart home system.
Yes.
Where a central AI agent coordinates the actions of individual agents.
Right.
Controlling lighting, temperature, and security.
Exactly.
Each agent has its role to play,
Yeah.
and they work together to achieve a common goal.
Precisely. It's a fascinating example of how AI agents can collaborate and coordinate
Right.
to manage complex systems efficiently.
Wow, this is mind-blowing. It seems like AI agents are already popping up everywhere,
Yeah.
transforming industries,
Yeah.
revolutionizing the way we live and work.
Absolutely.
So what's AWS doing in this space?
Right.
The article mentions some specific applications and tools.
Yeah. AWS is heavily invested in AI
Okay.
and offers a variety of services
Uh-huh.
for building and deploying custom AI agents.
Okay.
One example mentioned in the article is Amazon Contact Lens.
Okay, what's that all about?
It's a powerful AI agent used for contact center analytics.
Analytics, okay.
Imagine it as a super smart assistant
Okay.
for call center agents.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
It can automatically transcribe calls, analyze customer sentiment to gauge satisfaction levels,
Wow.
and even redact sensitive information
Oh, wow.
to ensure compliance with privacy regulations.
So it's like having an extra set of ears and eyes in the contact center,
Right.
gathering insights,
The gathering is
ensuring that everything runs smoothly.
Exactly.
That's pretty impressive.
Absolutely. And beyond specific applications like contact lens,
Okay.
AWS provides a whole suite of tools that empower developers to build their own custom AI agents.
Wow. So if you have the expertise and the vision,
Right? AWS gives you the building blocks.
the building block to create your own AI solutions.
Yeah, the possibilities are truly endless.
The possibilities are endless.
Yeah.
It's pretty wild.
Yeah. And as AI technology continues to evolve,
Right.
we can expect even more powerful tools and services from AWS and other leading tech companies.
It's an exciting time to be in this space.
It's an exciting time to be exploring the world of AI agents.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive into AI agents.
We have.
We explored
Yeah.
what they are, how they work, and like all the potential they have to
Yeah.
really transform a lot of different parts of our lives.
Absolutely.
I mean, we've seen how they can like enhance productivity,
Yeah.
streamline operations,
Streamline operations.
even empower us to like make better decisions
Uh-huh.
by processing information in ways that we as humans just can't.
Yeah.
Like,
It's like
from-
mind-blowing how much data they can handle.
Mind-blowing.
Extract insights.
I mean, from self-driving cars,
Yeah.
navigating busy streets,
Mhm.
to AI assistants managing our schedules and helping us plan trips.
Right.
It's clear that they're already having like a significant impact.
Absolutely. And you know what?
Right.
We've only just begun to explore the possibilities.
That's true.
As AI technology continues to advance,
Yeah.
we can expect even more innovative applications
Right.
that push the boundaries of what we thought was possible.
Yeah, one of the things that really struck me
Yeah.
is just the sheer diversity of AI agents out there.
Yeah.
I mean, we talked about simple reflex agents,
Right.
model-based agents, goal-based agents,
Goal-based agents.
utility-based agents, learning agents,
Learning agents.
even hierarchical
There's
agents.
hierarchical agents. There's like a whole zoo of AI.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
And it's fascinating to see how each type tackles different challenges
Right.
and contributes to this growing AI landscape.
Yeah, and they're becoming increasingly integrated into our world.
They are.
From thermostats adjusting the temperature to these
Yeah.
complex systems managing smart homes.
It's everywhere.
It is.
And as these agents become even more sophisticated and more integrated into our lives,
Yeah.
raises some pretty big questions
Big questions about the future.
about the future.
Yeah.
I mean, how will AI agents reshape our relationship with technology?
Right. Will we become more reliant on these intelligent systems
Yeah.
to manage our daily lives, or will we find new ways to collaborate and coexist with them?
I mean, will we see a future
Yeah.
where AI agents anticipate our needs
Right.
and seamlessly connect us with information and services?
And challenge us to think differently about the world around us.
Exactly. And it's a future
Yeah.
filled with both exciting possibilities and, potential challenges.
Absolutely. As we embrace the power of AI agents,
Right.
it's crucial to consider the ethical implications,
Right.
ensure responsible development,
Yeah.
and foster a future where humans and AI can thrive together.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Yeah.
I think this deep dive has really given me a lot to think about.
Me too.
And I'm sure our listeners are feeling the same way.
I hope so.
Before we wrap up,
Yeah.
any final words of wisdom for those who are eager to learn more?
Stay curious.
Stay curious. Okay.
Explore the resources available online and
Yeah.
don't be afraid to experiment
Experiment.
with the tools and platforms that are
Mhm.
making AI development more accessible than ever before.
More accessible than ever before. That's a great point.
Yeah.
And who knows, maybe you'll be the one creating the next groundbreaking AI agent that changes the world.
Yeah, that's the beauty of it.
It's pretty exciting stuff. And the world of AI is constantly evolving.
Constantly evolving.
There's always something new to discover, a new challenge to tackle, a new breakthrough on the horizon.
So true.
So stay curious, everybody. Keep learning and keep exploring.
Keep exploring.
We'll see you next time for another deep dive.